Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accounts and Sync. This is where Android stores account tokens. Tap the Google or Gmail listing for the account you want removed. Once selected, make sure you see Sync options and the account email at the top. That confirms you have the right profile. If you're signed into multiple accounts, choose the exact one to avoid logging out the wrong profile. Now proceed to Account Actions so you can remove it securely. Once you tap Remove Account or use the menu, Android asks for confirmation. This prevents accidental sign-outs. Enter your device PIN or password when prompted, because removal affects system-level authentication. The phone will stop syncing Gmail, contacts, and Play Store data for that account. That's normal because tokens are revoked locally. Make sure you wait until the process completes. You'll notice the account disappearing from the list, and Gmail may show a generic welcome screen when finished. To finish, open Gmail and confirm the account is gone. You should see a sign-in prompt or other accounts only. If the account still appears, clear the Gmail app cache or force stop and reboot, because cache tokens sometimes persist. If that fails, go to Settings app's Gmail storage and clear data. Note this removes local app settings but not online emails. One troubleshooting tip: ensure device protection or Find My Device isn't relinking accounts by checking MIUI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.